this video, we will look at the average compensation value for concussion injury in an accident case. A concussion is a type of traumatic brain injury that results from a sudden, forceful impact to the head, which essentially bruises the brain as it bounces around inside the skull. A concussion is one of the most common of all injuries that frequently result from car accidents. The sudden impact of an auto accident causes the type of forceful head movement or impact that results in concussions. We see some level of concussion injury in well over half of all our auto tort cases. Concussions come in different levels or degrees of severity, which often correlate to the force of the impact. The physical symptoms of a concussion tend to be varied and sometimes difficult to identify. In some cases, symptoms will be immediate and obvious, while in other cases, physical symptoms may not appear until hours or even days later. The primary physical symptoms associated with concussions are headaches or the feeling of pressure inside the head and mental confusion or difficulty thinking. More severe concussions can also result in a temporary loss of consciousness. Limited amnesia is also common, as people frequently report not being able to clearly remember the moments just before and after the concussion. Other common physical symptoms resulting from concussions can include nausea, dizziness or vertigo, blurred vision, ringing in the ears, fatigue, and light sensitivity. Concussion injuries are very common in auto accident cases. The average value of a personal injury lawsuit involving a concussion is between $20,000 to $80,000. The more serious concussion injury cases, those involving continuing complications, may have a settlement value of $125,000 or more. Keep in mind, however, that these average values are mainly based on cases where the concussion is one of several other injuries. The potential settlement value of a concussion injury in an accident case is driven by several factors. The first is the severity of the concussion injury and whether it causes loss of consciousness and continuing chronic symptoms. The other major factor is often the credibility of the plaintiff. The symptoms of a concussion, such as headaches, are often highly subjective, so when the plaintiff is credible and believable, it goes a long way towards bolstering their case value. If you've suffered a concussion in an auto accident or other type of accident, give our personal injury lawyers a call for a free consultation.